Hi, my name is Suvajit and I am an ACUS Cloud student. When I joined ACUS Cloud, I didn't really have any idea about cloud computing and I didn't know what was coming. But when I joined ACUS Cloud and started taking the classes, it blew my mind because this distinguishing factor here is the one-to-one training that no other training platform provides. And even if any other training platform provides that, the costs are exorbitant. And this is not the case with ACUS Cloud. And I would really like to thank my trainer, Jorish, who has been very, very helpful. And he guided me at every step. Whenever I had any doubts, I just used to WhatsApp him and he used to answer me in a very, very short period of time. I don't think that this kind of abilities are embedded within any other trading platform. Currently, I am an AWS Solutions Architect, as I already said, and this would really help me to augment my career and look for better opportunities. And I can't thank ACUS Cloud enough. Bye.